Acting on a tip of police from the Baizalbari police station in Tripura seized approximately 22 kg of marijuana from the Bogabil international border area in Khowai. The smugglers fled the scene upon seeing the police patrol, abandoning the drugs. Authorities believe the marijuana was meant to be smuggled into Bangladesh. An investigation is currently underway to identify the culprits. In a significant development from the India-Bangladesh border, police in Tripura have seized a large consignment of marijuana. The contraband, weighing approximately 22 kilograms, was recovered from the international border area in Khowai district. Acting on a tip-off on Wednesday afternoon, a police team led by the officer in charge of Baizalbari police station, Tripura, was patrolling the Bogabil international border area. The police team spotted smugglers packaging marijuana, who fled the scene as soon as they saw the police. Police confiscated the seized marijuana and brought it back to the Baizalbari police station. According to the OC, an investigation has been launched into the incident. According to police sources, it's suspected that the marijuana was intended for smuggling into Bangladesh, but the smugglers abandoned it and fled due to the unfavorable circumstances.
Tini ang Tripura jarawo Belsora Bogabil Kengrabari dike mobile tongmani karon border pride BSF ro complain khayo tar raja go hnai abun bagai nang police movement to nango hni nang ayang tini Tripura jara thangmani thangdei nang Bogabil sogoipuro ani thani kaisa khobor phaikya rubber bagano aro CD packing khlailai tongo hnai ingke nang o bagano ang identify khaikya khaima pore ani staff bayang thangai aro thangai habai kyang ke noko side kaisa wa bolong tongo wa bulungo no bosta borok ano nuhur kaino bol kisa lama haksal ba nukhaino borok kharka kharma pore ang aro thangai nai dui bosta plastic bosta wo packet blue color by packing khaijak aro mangkha khulogoi nemani abo ganja no ingai aro suri nemani 1 kg packet abo duita bosta bo 11 kg ingai na abo nang aro jetu kebo kri bolongo kana gini nok bukri ba arang 106 ang sis khakya sis khaye bono thana tu boita 176 o investigation khai tongo jodino malik jodino sung inquiry phaikang kai abo sabani malabo to khuskai tongo todonto o jodi phaikang kai specific case ngi thangnai tangai abono tabok thana tu bujak bad baki todonto ni pore saimanaita bazar mullo to pray 1.5 to 2 lakh ngana.
The Baizalbari police are currently investigating who is involved in the incident. Reported by Biplov from Khowai, Chini Khorang.